Good morning guys, today is January 31st. It's our second day today here in Cebu Island getaway. Somewhere up north. Yes, it's a good place. Me and the family are having a good time right now. We did have our breakfast. Yes. And yeah, now we are just having our moment here, relaxing while we are digesting our food. I still have my banana with me. Yan did not eat because the fly was on top of this banana.
But actually the skin protects banana.
Yes, it should be, right?
Yep.
We are just going to chill,
Baby
relax,
birds are in the tree.
sleep here. Okay, so it's a good place. That is there somewhere over there. Me and Yan we're just here in the hammock, enjoying ourselves. Matagak na akong costume ba. Mainit guys, no? So it's just a beach dress for comfort, right? And Yan's class. So Joes, sana naman bumalik kayo. Later we might gonna go swimming and Yan playing in the sand.
Where are you?
Huh? Where are you, Yan?
The resort.
I'm in the resort.
Hello.
Hello. Good. That's all you can say?
It's good. It's finally nice to be out at the beach after how many years of COVID exile. Beach.
Emerging from the area. Just getting the boat. Oops, sorry, turtle.
They're playing there. It's about 11 something in the morning and the tide is coming in right now. So look at that. And the water is very clear. There's no trash. That's very good. It's very clean. That's all we wanted. And yeah, and the resort is really clean as well. So we found a good one to stay here up north. And from the city, it's about, I think, 2 hours. From where we live, it's about 2 hours and 45 minutes. There are 3 ways to go up north, and the one we took yesterday was a scenic route. You know, we see farm, we see like different kinds of vegetation. It was fun. It's more greenery, and there are like the destruction of the typhoon Uday. You can see like the poles are going down, electric poles, electric wires. People are saying like, oh Vico, please remember us. Something like that. That's Vico is the electric company here in Cebu. And up north it's Sebeco. I think Sebeco is good. They have their own power as well as with the help of, I think, Leyte. Up north there is more, it's been energized mostly, whereas in the south they're still working on it. That's the update. It's a very quiet place, and it's a weekday, so people are working, and we prefer going out or having a getaway when it's a weekday because less crowd. That's it, and also better with rates. Travel budget friendly.
Also adding a little walkway. Rock water.
Castle 1 and 2.
A little opening for a person to get in.
the other one? I thought you didn't bring it.
Let's make a road, like Mr. Bull always says.
Mm-hmm.
Let's make a road. Let's make a road. He's crazy about making a road. Oh, that one makes tracks.
So it knows where it's going after the last crash, right?
Yeah.
Ah, perfect! A little person. No, this is a grave. I can make a little grave
Oh,
now.
it's got to be dead. It's so morbid.
I did this.
Here's Yan Yan by the pool. Look at that. Very nice.
It's hard. This is the crawl in the water.
Shark!
And just backing up like a ship.
Do that.
I'm right here. Shallow. Short.
So we're here by the pool. It's around, what time is it right now, Yan?
Thanks.
Probably it's around 5. Probably. We only have a few minutes to go. So we're gonna go home. Until for dinner. Okay, Yan Yan is here with me. So babysitting right now, you guys. This is the swimming pool. Here with the chikiting over here. Let's put the camera over here, Yan. Here we go!
Mama, a ship came. It's a bunk boat.
Salty.
You're gonna sink me.
So we're here in the pool right now, you guys. What do you think? It's a very nice place. Luxury at a discount. Yes. Okay, back to my costume because Yan Yan doesn't want me to wear. It's very normal to wear, you know, two-piece and stuff, but my son doesn't want me to do it. He said it's too vulgar, mommy. It's too vulgar. Very conservative. 4 feet. 4 feet only.
Yeah, it's funny.
What?
4 feet. I cannot even touch the ground.
I'll get out there. I will swim.
Oh.
This is how I swim. Doggy style. Yes.
Easy. Oh, bro. You can do it. Okay, you see what I mean?
Splashing water in there.
How can you do that? I can get faster than you.
Okay, you guys. I'm done with my swimming. Yan Yan is still there. Okay, this is the view. Diba maganda siya, guys. Ganda. Oh. Nice. So, this will end our video for today. We had fun in the beach, in the swimming pool. I got my tan on. Look at that. Very, very, tan. Tag nito, guys. Lechon baboy. Napaig na ako, no? Napaig na. Ano
Your
ba
skin
yan?
is so black.
No, brown. Alright, so we will so we are just going to what? End our night and our day for today. I'll be back tomorrow for another vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look at this little fella over here. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.